got the arbitrage bot down here that we set up earlier, and I already showed you all the code. Let's go to terminal here. Okay, let's see here. Here's what you need to do. I upgraded the WebSockets, didn't fix. We still have the segmentation. This is default memory corruption from all previous. Reboot the server, sudo reboot, damn. After reboot, SSH in and start the backend. In another terminal, start the front end. The SQLite implementation is 100% done and will work after reboot. Can you do the reboot for me? I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. Oh, compacting conversation, fam. Come on. Let's lock in, bro. Lock in. Connect to host here. Moon dash. Open folder here. I think it was home. So this is the volume stuff here. Tracking 4-hour changes. Every 4 hours, the script runs and saves the snapshot. Beautiful. Implementation, next script to build, pseudocode. What will track? Volume change, 125%. Beautiful. Tracking, 24 hours. What will track? Swarm agent implementation. Beautiful. Volume agent swarm. Volume agent change analyzer. Volume agent swarm. Okay. From swarm import swarm. We just built a bot the other day here with so I want you to build this. All right, so it looks like you got the functionality down perfectly. Okay, so after it gets the new 4 hours, I wanted to send in to the swarm with a prompt that shows them the data for the changes and the symbols and then the changes. And then I wanted to go ahead and ask it, what if you had to pick one token based off the volume and the volume changes here to be long to buy, what would it be? And then since we're going to be using the swarm agent, here's an example of how we use the swarm agent in this file. But since we're going to be using that swarm agent, it should go ahead and ask all the swarms, should ask all the AIs, and then also get a consensus answer as well. Now we're going to need to log the answers for all of them and consensus here. So maybe make a folder for this volume agent in the regular data path, and we can save all things there. Okay. Let me know if you have any questions. Go ahead and build it. Here's the example of how to use the swarm agent. Okay, so let's go ahead to GitHub. Again, this is all on GitHub free. The link's in the description. And 5 days ago, RBI PP multi. Okay, so let's use this. Example of how to use swarm. I would like you to just make this one file so you can delete the other files of these scripts in order to grab the volume, etc. Actually, you could just put that script file in the scripts folder on the GitHub and then build this agent out to work flawlessly with one file. Okay, thank you. Okay, so she's got a little bit of work to do. I'm gonna let her do it. Let her do it. Okay. Now I'm gonna figure out how to get this server back. How do I get this running again? SSH Munda. Okay, we in there. And then I'm gonna say SU Munda. Then I'm gonna say C. Claude. Dangerously skip permissions. Write me a super long poem. Write me a super long poem, dude. Again, all of this code is here in the GitHub, and I'll make sure this volume bot is up there as well here when I'm done with it. This volume agent. Track all the volume all day. What's your PC specs? I got a MacBook Pro M3. KOLs. I'm not a KOL, buddy. Sorry. Can't help you. Can't help you. Not a KOL. Sorry, bro. And we got this new cross exchange. Yeah, we got the extended bot running today. So we got 2 bots already running today. So fire, fire, fire. Good for you. Much love to you. Way to lock in. Way to lock in. Okay, so she's back. She's back. Now we need to figure out what the heck were we fixing. Oh, okay, I remember. So please go ahead and essentially we had a problem with our data, whatever, and I had to restart the server that you're running on, but you're inside the server now, and you are the host of a front end and back end of a website called moondev.com, and it has like polymarket data on it, liquidation data. We're fixing the liquidation data to work with the SQLite, and now it's fixed and it should run. But essentially, I need you to launch the servers again so everything's running. I use SU Moondev as a login. As a logger. Damn, I'm sorry if you don't speak English, bro, because if that's what it sounds like I said, I'm cooked. That's crazy, bro. Okay, so we got 2 Claude codes here, chasing Wall Street all day. Let's get it. You got bots running on a Raspberry Pi. What the heck, for real? That's fire, bro. Perfect. I can see the setup. Okay. Beautiful. You can see here, this is going through and working on some things. Okay, perfect. Now it'll give me a clear API error. Okay. Don't show my key now. Don't you share it. OpenAI key not found, or if it's found. You don't be using the Raspberry? I don't even know what a Raspberry Pi is for. Perfect. The VNV exists. Let's get it. Okay, this looks like it's ready as well. Okay, so all data saved here. Beautiful. Okay. Continuous mode. I already have if you look at that RBI agent, set it up exactly how it is set up already over there, because all of my keys are in the ENV. Do not look at my ENV. If you need to look at any ENVs, look at the ENV example. But everything is ready to run. It says I don't need to put in my OpenAI key. Remember, if you look at that example I sent you, it's connecting to the Swarm agent, and the Swarm agent takes care of all of the AI requests and whatnot. Please confirm that this is set up like that, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Okay, so the server starts and then crashes. This might be related to the scheduler liquidations feature you mentioned. Let me try running it with more verbose. Okay, you go do that. All this code is free on GitHub here for these agents that I'm building. Any agent stuff I am putting live on GitHub for free. All you got to do is go to the link in the description, grab that GitHub, start it, fork it, and then you got it. You got it, dude. You got it. Okay, so excellent. The backend started successfully this time. Beautiful. Loaded.env, perfect. Great PM2 is installed. So perfect, found it. Let me read the create one, correct one. So we got two AIs going. It's kind of weak, bro. Should have four.